The resident doctors' body has called off the nationwide protest. This, of course, over the Kolkata horror. And this move has come after the resident body's meeting with the government there. In fact, there you can see those visuals of the meeting with the health minister. In fact, the resident body says that the government has conceded to their demands. The demands range from a CBI probe, which of course now has been ordered, and also more safety as far as hospitals are concerned. The government has issued an advisory now also ramping up security staff as far as wards and OPDs are concerned, and also making sure that all medical college campuses are well lit as well. The doctors have been up in arms undeterred for over 2 days. My colleague Shreya Ghosh, who's been tracking the protests, is now joining us live. So Shreya, the resident body has said that most of the demands have been conceded to, have been agreed to by the government, but in some states, the protest shall continue.
That's right. For the time being, the residents' body have called off the strike because their main demand has been, of course, that justice should be served and there should be an independent, transparent CBI inquiry into the matter, which has now been promised. And of course, the health minister has also assured that the Central Protection Act, which the residents' body, the doctors have been rooting for, they have been demanding for this Central Protection Act to be in place, and now the health minister has sort of assured that the residents' body will be a part of a committee, and the Central Protection Act will be requested and worked on, and the work will start within a span of 15 days. The official notice will be issued soon by the ministry, but for the time being, the protests have been called off. Of course, we have seen the residents' body protesting since yesterday across nation, and which had of course affected the non-emergency services in these hospitals, non-emergency services and output patient services. But at the end of the day, it was for a larger cause. The doctors came together in solidarity for swift justice for the deceased, for the horrific case that happened in Kolkata, in one of the busiest hospitals, RG Kar Hospital, and they have time and again demanded for security protocols for healthcare workers who work tirelessly, selflessly all throughout the year. And this case has sort of raised that question of security and safety of these resident doctors. And FODA has been on the front line demanding for the safety protocol for the security of health workers across all hospitals, and the strict compliance of this safety protocol. The health minister has, of course, assured that the safety protocols will be in place, and the Central Protection Act, the most important Central Protection Act, will be worked upon within
in fact, this act that you mentioned has been pending before the Parliament for several years now. It has been in the works. Of course, that is among the central demands. Thanks very much, Shreya, for joining us with the latest. But remember, the doctors have been on the streets demanding their rights, demanding a safe working environment, safety inside hospitals and medical colleges. In fact, the Calcutta High Court also came down heavily on the Kolkata hospital, saying that the hospital administration has not been on the side of the victims or not been on the side of the victims' families either. It was the Calcutta High Court that handed over the investigation to the CBI. And remember, the Calcutta High Court also said that there were lapses and delays on the part of the hospital administration in terms of handling this case as well.